IP-20C, ESS, and ESX radio overview introduction. On the rear side of the IP-20C radio are the BNC connector to check the RSL level, the TNC connector for use with MIMO and space diversity, and a 3-color LED indication light. On the bottom side of the radio, going from left to right, is first the DC connector. Next is port number 1, an RJ45 port used for Ethernet and PoE connections. Next is port number 2, an SFP port used for fiber or Ethernet connections, depending on the type of SFP. Next is port number 3, another SFP port. For some models, this port is used for fiber or Ethernet connections, depending on the type of SFP. On the ESX model, this port can be used for MIMO or space diversity data sharing. The last port is number 4, an RJ45 port used for management and with a Y-splitter cable for protection. On the left side of the radio is a 10mm nut for the grounding cable. There are 4 captive bolts located in each corner of the radio unit. A 6mm Allen key is used for these bolts. On the front of the radio are 2 waveguide adapters, port 1 and port 2.